Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of We're on Our Way. We've been taking on this journey right now with my mom and dad. They are having effects of COVID, some side effects and other things that they're dealing with. I'm getting ready to head up to the hospital again, take some stuff to my sister and my mom that they need up there. Mom is feeling a little bit better, so thank you so much for your prayers. My dad's getting a little bit stronger every day. You can see the color back in his skin. His eyes are not as dark as they were before, so that part is really good. He's eating better. My mom's starting to eat better. If you could join me in prayer and just pray that she will begin to eat more, which is the main focus right now, is just getting her to eat more, and then we got some other issues that we'll deal with as we continue this journey. Now, yesterday, or the last program, is we ended with a little bit of snow starting to fall. And so let's look at this together and see what's going on out here. Let's open the garage door up. And let's menu look at this together and see what's going on out here as I get ready to hit the road and run up and see what's going on. Well, look here what we see. It is not scraping the road. It's not the 6, 7, 9 inches we're supposed to get, but doesn't look beautiful when it snows. So I'm going to start the truck up in a moment. We're going to head up. Listen, if you haven't done this, do us a favor. You can subscribe, you can comment, you can hit the bell, you can share. We'd appreciate that so much. So I'm going to take you on today's journey as we head up the road up here. We got to go into Walmart, pick some things up that my mom needs. So like last time, if you need something you want us to pray about so we can be in agreement together as you all pray for my family right now, so comment below and we'll pray for you. The community will pray for you, and we'll join together believing God for some good things. Again, I hope that you can see the snow falling. It is gorgeous out here. That's my aunt and uncle's house, and my other aunt and uncle's house. So I want to, let me turn around here because I want you to kind of look at the hills here. See up in there, can you see? So let's go on the road. Well, I'm driving down the road here. We order HelloFresh. There's a box of it right there. You can see it. And we had a whole box. And when this situation arose, we could not be able to fix it since we've been here with mom and dad. So we're going down to someone that's been a blessing to my mom and dad, and we're going to bless them with this box. If you've not tried a HelloFresh, and we're not sponsored by them, I will put a link in right now where you could go over and get 14 to 16 boxes free with the code that will be there, and also I'll put it in the description below. And also, we get blessed if you do that. We'll get knocked off our bill. We've been ordering HelloFresh, oh Lord, for the last 5 months or so, and it's saving us a lot of money on our groceries because it's just me and Teresa at the house eating. So I'm gonna drop this off and then head up to Walmart and then back to the hospital. This is just a way of life in eastern Kentucky. A lot of times you're behind coal trucks, which is great for our country and for this area. You see a lot of coal trucks. The economy's doing real well. Right now we are behind a truck with a plow on the front of it. They're scraping the roads and putting some salt on the road. So if you're up here, you always gotta leave early because you know you could get stuck in traffic. And he stopped to let me go around, which is very nice. Sometimes they don't do that, but this one did. take a guess where I'm at. This is the place they told me to come to get what Mom needed to bring to the hospital. So I'm going to run in this place in a few moments. And then I am going to go over to Food City. Two people in our church has got something for Mom and something for Dad. I'll show you what that is when I pick it up. They wanted to make sure that Mom got that. They were going to have it delivered to the hospital, but I told them I was coming up, and they said, well, can you pick it up, make sure they get it? So I'm going over here to get that in a few moments. Again, that's at Food City. But I'm here at I'm going to run into Walmart and pick up what I was told to get. I'm not going to videotape in there, so I'll see you in a few moments. Well, I've got that run done. One thing my mom is drinking is this Boost. She loves it, so my sister asked me to go pick some up so she can keep it there. The hospital's giving her some, but we're trying to encourage Mom to drink some more of that. Also, I guess they wanted this. And then look, somebody at church, from my dad's church, made this, and they wanted my sister and Mom to have that. Now, let's head over to Food City and get what someone had called in for my dad and my mom. So let's go pick that up now. Well, just walked out of Food City. I just want to say thank you to the young ladies, I'll call them, that got this from Mom and Dad. We really appreciate the love you show, and we love all you at Oppie Church of God and the love you all show to my dad and mom. But look here what somebody just asked me to come by and pick up. These are going to my mom, and this big fruit basket here is going to my dad. Thank you. We love you. Well, let's now head to the hospital, deliver this and some other stuff that Mom needs for the next couple of days. And then after I leave there, I have to go order one other thing and take it home to Dad that he asked for. So we'll see you on down the road here in a minute. Well, I got that done. Now I'm heading to pick up something my dad would like to have today. Do me a favor, just for the fun, comment below before you go any farther and let me know what you think my dad might want today. Again, I want to stress, we thank you all so much. Continue praying for them, believing that they get strength, they increase, that their mind increases, their bodies, and we would appreciate it so much. Again, comment below if you need prayer, because we want to pray for you if you need it. And then, like I said in the last episode, this is completely different than what we usually do, but this is life. This is stuff that we do when our parents or loved ones go through situations. We are there to support. Right now, me and my wife and my sister and my brother and his wife are just taking turns doing what we can. It's all about Mom and Dad right now, and Dad's in charge. He's the boss man, and he'll let you know that up front. But we just we love both of them so much. The grandkids love them so much, and we just need your prayers right now. Did hear a little bit of good news. If Mom continues to eat and etc., she might get to come home in the next 2 days. I'm up here till Friday, so if she gets to come home, I'll be able to see her. If not, I'll have to see her when I come back. Again, when we first got up here, we had to call the EMTs, and they had to come and get her and take her to the hospital, so I've not got to spend no time with her. But she is getting better, getting stronger, and a lot of it's because you're praying and believing with us. So let's go to the next place that I need to pick something up for my dad. And you might want to know, you see this seat's empty. Teresa is at home with my dad, making sure he has his coffee. My dad loves coffee, so he drinks it around the clock until he goes to bed, and he drinks it when he gets up. And so she's home making sure he's taken care of while I'm doing all this running right now, because when it's snowing, my wife does not like to drive. So guess where we're going, and I'll show you when we get there. Teresa. Well, I'm giving you a few moments. Have you guessed what my dad wanted to eat today? Well, here we go. I'm going to show you. He wanted Pizza Hut. So let me go in here and pick this up and get it to him so he can enjoy the rest of the evening. I'll see you down the road in a few moments. Hi everyone, I hope you've enjoyed today's journey with us. Again, on behalf of our family, we want to thank you so much for praying with us and agreeing with us for Mom and Dad. They are getting stronger every day. Also, again, comment below if you want prayer. We'd love to be praying for you. And like I've said in the last episode, and I might have already said it in this episode, I'm a firm believer if you pray for other people's needs, God takes care of yours. So if you need prayer for anything, please comment below and we will pray and be in agreement with you. Listen, you know the thing. If you've liked this episode or like any of our episodes, if you subscribe, if you try to comment, give us a thumbs up and share, we would appreciate that so much. That helps us get out what we're trying to do. And again, I know a lot of you all enjoy when we're traveling and all that stuff, but this is life, and sometimes we just need to share personal stuff and life stuff, and this is part of it. So I'm hearing there's some good news coming tomorrow, so we'll let you know about that, and we're believing there is some good news coming out tomorrow that we'll make you part of. Again, we've decided not to share Mom and Dad's photos right now because they look weak and etc. So again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode. Why? Because we're on our way. Look what I found.